Hello, this is Anisri Kadil, a Scrum developer of Onme Group Ads of Software 27B. We have made a product called Onme Real Estate Service, following Agile methodology. We have members of 5 Scrum team. Vivek Rizal is a Scrum Master, Anisri Kadil, Anand Soresh Sahi, and Asmita Kumari is a Scrum developer. So this is our product backlog where we have planned those features: landing page, registration, login, right? And we have set a priority of all the features. Also type of users. User might be seller, buyer, or like a user, simple user, and admin, right? So as a user, he or she can register an account or login account. These are the performance tasks of the user or admin according to their role, and the goals of the user or admin we have defined here. And this is the acceptance criteria we have set for the users as well as admin. Okay, you can let me show you example, right? So as a registration, we have set a registration as a features high priority, and as a user, he or she can register an account so that he can get access into the system, right? So his or her user acceptance criteria would be: should open the register page, enter email, okay, password at least 4 character, and click register button. Simple, right? So this is all about user story. Let me show you our map board. This is our map board. Okay, we have set epics like a features, feature categories. Sprint 2 here, we have started sprint 1 from 22 May to 25 May, like all the dates about our sprint, right? It's Agile methodology. We have working using Agile methodology on a Scrum team, so we have to flow. We have worked on overall sprint 8, okay? So like 8 weeks, right? We have every sprint we have set for 1 week. Per week, like we have finished our final product on last 8 sprint. Okay, so this is all about map board, and here this is a real release sample plan. So sprint 1, I have already mentioned that we have total sprint 8. Okay, from first week and last 8 week we have finished the final product, right? So these are the story features, right? And the developer team, this is the hours the developer taken to complete the features, right? Okay, this is the like sprint 2 here on our second week. So one of the developer team, use 7 hours to complete search and filtration, right? So this is the time, release date, okay, and the goal true. We successfully made the features, meet the goals, meet the time, right? So we have defined the story points for each, right? So this is all about backlogs, sprint backlog, sprint 1 to 8 backlogs. This is our sprint 1 backlog, right? So now let me give a demo here of sprint backlog, sprint 1 backlog. So backend is on Sri Kadil. Estimate time, he took 0.5 hours in day 1 to complete the landing page, right? All about the sprint backlog. And this is our rundown chart of sprint 1. So here you can see all these are the sprint backlog up to 8, right? So let me give example, a demo of sprint backlog. Is Anand Beast to complete image processing. He took like 3 hours for backend development, front-end 1.5 hours, and testing 3.5 hours. And these are the time taken from Anand Beast, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 5. Okay, and this is the sprint review. Okay, so this is the sprint rundown chart for the sprint backlog 8, right? So let us move forward for sprint retrospective. In each sprint we made a sprint retrospective to reflect our work, like what went well and what went bad, like what could be better on next sprint, right? So these are the things. Okay, so these are the things: what went bad, what went well. Okay, all about these things. As we have flowed Agile methodology on the Scrum team, we have flowed every rules and principle of Agile methodologies, right? So let me give you a demo of our final product, which we prepare from sprint 1 to sprint 8 using many features, dividing them with developer teams, right? So let me show you the our final product, right? So this is the VS Code we have used for IDE to develop our final products. So you can see here. So this is the directory of our product, real estate area only product, with only which is for real estate purpose, right? We list the property, we list the details, we get from the users, right? Sellers. So you can see here, these are the directories, accounts, contact, code, documents, all about directories. Let me run this project, Python manage.py run server. So you can see the product. Let me show you our final product, which is all ready up to sprint 8, right? So okay, let me demo of our final product. This is only product. You can see the searching, advanced searching, listings. Okay, so let me log in here. All the features are working properly here. We have, okay, let me log in using our old data what we have created. So you can see this is a creating message, this is a dashboard for the users. Here she can add listings. Okay, here's our property and we'll get the data. Okay, these are the feature listings, right? So you can get the more information if user can is interested to this property. Here she can get the information, all information about the property. You can see the Google map is working. The property has been listed in this address, right? Real-time address, and we can get in contact with realtors by messaging here, right? So we can see the documents from here. This is the gallery of our gallery of this product. So okay, this is the title, these are the pagination. Okay, so let me go back and let me see the dashboard, right? So this is the feature listing. So let me check whether the source is working or not. Okay, let me search the Lalitpool. So you can see here the Lalitpool, right? These are the things, and we have also implemented. We have tried. This is our first time to try a language translation. So this is language translation. We also have implemented Nepali language translation. You can see the effects here. The source is converted to Cosmos, right? This is the effect of translation in Nepali language, right? User might be a Nepali or something else, right? So this is the property, another property. So these are things. Let me show you about a space. Okay, here the seller, verified seller will be shown. Okay, only verified seller will be shown in this section, right? So user also can update their name, right? Name or profile, right? So let me see. You can see success. It is success, right? So let me show you the admin panel. Okay, so this is the admin panel. You can see here. Let me log in here. Sorry. Okay, this is the admin panel. I'm sorry, what went wrong here? Okay, you can see the admin panel here, all about the realtors who are interested to sellers who sell the property. Okay, it's like MVP. We are the MVP is like a verified seller, right? We can tick or uncheck or tick. If we get the verified document, we will tick or not. If we not get, we will not tick, right? This is the user section. We can add user and we can give role status to the user as a staff, as an admin. Okay, all right. So okay, this is the chat message section. Okay, so if a user chat contact with the realtor seller, and this message will be saved here, and also we can see from the history too, right? So dashboard history too. All right, so if I message hello, I am interested in this property, in this house. Okay, sorry, my mistake, house, let me make inquiry. Okay, you can see the success message. First of all, hello, I'm interested. Let me show you the message. You can see. Okay, as an admin, I have message. So this is the real time date in this time or user message. Okay, message to the realtors. So this is gonna save here, right? So you can see, hello, I'm interested. So these are working properly. You can see the address section, country section, countries. Okay, Nepal. Listing files. We haven't set any listing files yet. We can also add from here. So let's see add listings. This is the section where user lists the property. If user is interested to sell or list his or her property or house in our website, he or she can list the property, send the data to us, and we'll get the retrieve the data, and we'll determine if we are going to list the property or not, right? So this is the section of add listing. Listing image, you can see here. These are the images we have already listed. So listing types is like categories, rentals, apartment, house. We can also add like land. Okay, it could be land, right? It could be land. So you can see the land has been saved. These are the listings. These are all the listings we have listed on our property. Okay, let me show you here. You can see these are the listings and these are the details. Okay, so this is all about our simple website where we have been on marketplace where we list the property from the users and so to the buyers. We list the property on our website like an advertising agency, real estate advertising agency, right? And in this way we have completed our final project using Agile methodology. Is following Scrum team. Okay, our Scrum team leader was Vivek Rizal, and our member Anvis and Sri Karel, Asmita Kumari, and Saurasai. Everyone followed the features. We can see. Let me show you the Trello, right? Trello, where we plan the features, we plan the sprint, every sprint we plan, and we flow all the plans which is set by our Scrum leader Vivek Rizal, right? So this is our Trello. You can see here it's loading slowly. Let's wait some seconds here. Let me go. And I'm also going to explain about also MBT process. We use MBT pattern to in Django, so where we define URLs, view, model, and template like this. Like so, like this is an account. It's like a account, right? Applications of our product, or one of the application of our product, where models, we define models, apps, views, right? URLs. Like Django works like this using MBT pattern, right? So let me also show you some tastings. Okay, so testing is necessary here, so we also taste here. So let me show you some taste, right? So let me show you some taste. Okay, so we are testing account, right? Let's test accounts. So you can see I'm testing the account section. So these are the 4 testings we have passed, right? You can see, and for test it has been passed, right? Like login, register, logout. This is the URL testing, right? So also let me show you listing testing, right? Let me show you listing testing, listings. Okay, let me show there are two tests, right? A listing and listings, right? So let me show the listing tests. Okay, so all right. So here you can see here we have passed 3 tests. Listing test. Let me do again here. You can see there there are 2 working testing. These are the working testings, and we have passed the 2 tests, right? And we have said all the testing for the application like core. We have a separated test, right? So these are the things, and we have used database is project. Let me go to the project settings. We have used database as a PostgreSQL, right? PostgreSQL. We have SQLite, DB SQLite, which is a default database given by the Django, and also we can also save our database in our PostgreSQL, right? So these are the things, and let me show you our trailer. Now it's loading here. You can see here we have followed every every task set by our Scrum leader. First of all, he saved the task for each user, and we started to do the every features, and if we are doing the test and doing the features, we move those features from to doing, and if we complete those features, we move those features from doing to verify, and finally if the product is working, if the features is working, when our Scrum leader review the product, and if it's working smoothly, the feature goes to done, right? So these are all the features we have completed as a Scrum team developer, right? Like Anandis has completed image processing, right? He has handling image processing. Okay, so Asmita Thakur was working on product testing, and similarly Saurya Sahi was working on category pagination, and these are the things all about the product, only realistic product. Okay, finally implementing Agile methodologies, following all the principles on Agile methodologies. Like we also implemented some principle, like when our features are not working, we change those features timely. We welcome all the features. We decided what should we go for the features according to the team meeting, introducing several meetings. Like let me show you our meetings done daily meetings, stand-up meetings, right? So this is all about our recordings and meetings, where we discuss about our features, what should we do, what about the features, retrospectives, sprint plannings, all about the Agile methodologies, right? All these are the recordings and meeting stand-ups where we do to complete this final product is a only realistic. Okay, all right, this is all about our only realistic product. Thank you.